Welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday morning, I'm out in the garage. Now, bit chat. First of all, how good is these? How good are these? Everybody's raving about them, buying them and having fun with them. You'll see my films now, a lot of interest. And I mean, it goes in your pocket, pull it out, take that cover off, switch it on, select the function. I've got mine at a 20 metre out circle. So if I'm out somewhere in a viewpoint and then switch it on, start, off it goes. Unless you made a wee film, put it on as a reel or anything. Here's Murphy. Come and say hello to everyone, Murphy. Say hello, Murphy. Murphy, look. Murphy. Hey. Oh, hello. Say hello to Murphy. Right. Anyway, time I make a coffee. Drink a coffee, sorry. Or just these gears. So, specs on. What's happening is it's jumping gear, just 2 gears. When you're pedalling hard, that always means your mech hanger's bent. So, it's real simple. You just take your clutch, your gear cable. I'm all tongue tied this morning. Too many ciders last night. Now you should kind of take the chain off, or it's easier, but we'll just take this off out of the way. Like so. And what we've got is this tool. It's a mech alignment tool. So basically, it's a bit tight, this one. I think needs some WD-40 or something. So that screws on. Like so, and then what's that? Solid metal. Like so, just give that a wee nip up. Should have a wee thing like that. This is a common thing if you're a mountain biker. There's a bent mech hanger. Now, if alloy bikes tend to have a replaceable mech hanger, and you tend to not just do this because they snap. All you do, you set that till it touches the rim, like so, and then you try it everywhere right round. Now look at the difference. Can you see that? It's about a centimetre out, so that's where it's bent. So all we'll do is carefully, a little bit, see that? Just ease it a bit. So that's off of there about 5 mil now. Of course the rack gets in the way, but you can get around that. Early this year, or September's not materialising in really good. And it's just disappointing, really. I'm in a real pig's ear of this, Bruce. So, play on that. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just close enough. That little bend that I did is fine. There you go. So run line horizontally, and we're in line vertically. Okay. I need to get a new. This thing's stripped. See, it's broken. What I'll do is I'll get a wing nut that'll go into that. I'll find one later on. So that's as good as. So. It's obviously been bent in the way. Now that can be done by lying your bike down on the mech side, which you shouldn't actually do. Set against a gate, anything. We'll knock something like that out. So stick our mech back on. Okay, like so. Before we retension the cable, we'll check our stops. Bit of a dirty chain this for having dry glue on it. So, make sure that's not skipping so there's no tension on this now. And then we push it on first. That's okay as well, see? So I think we can safely reconnect our gear cable. So back to winter time. Like I mentioned already, I'm not going to commute this winter on the motorbike. I know, I'm sorry you're going to see less films, but I'll be out weekends. Remember, I'm off Fridays and Mondays. But the good news is my van's half done. Needs another 3 to 4 hours to finish the new engine going on the site. I'm all fingers, thumbs and tongues today. Which is quite a while I came out here to do something. Probably take the dog a walk, and I'm in the way of the camera. Sorry everyone. There you go. So what happens now, we should have perfect gears. It's a little tighter. A little bit of cable tension. So fine tune. There you go. So they were the ones that were jumping when you put pressure on. Try to work out what's rattling on that. So the cable's just slipped through the mech. You see what's happened there? So I've done this right. So you see the things going wrong as well as right with my channel. There's actually a little notch in there for the cable to sit in, which I didn't get on right. There you go, look at that. Beautiful. It's easy as that. So no Jeep films this weekend. It's going to be just still a bit slack. Yeah, just letting the panel guards proper set right in. Didn't do that last time, I kind of couldn't wait to go back out in it. So, back to next year, back to this winter even. I'll get my RST gloves dug out and I'll do a review on them. What I think of them, I think they're actually really good, the heated gloves. More about what they cost now compared to the alternatives. Oh, hear that? That's your gear cable. Now don't put your nose on a tyre, Murphy, because that will hurt. There you go. That'll do me fine. Are you gonna come and say hello? Come and say hello. Come and say hello. Come on, Buffy. Hey. Oh, he's turning out a great wee dog, aren't you? You turning out a great wee dog. He is good. These sort of anger things with the hoarding things, we're getting away for that. Just gotta watch them around other folk, picking up things and dropping things and trying to take it off them. But you'd never know it, eh, when you see them in the films. Anyway, that's all done. That's all for that. Okay, see you soon. Bye. I've still got coffee to drink. Never actually really talked about this wall mounted bar tool mount. Basically you just put it through your seat clamp, clamp it, and usually you've got to turn it a little bit. That comes off like so, hangs on there, and then we have this that goes on your handlebars, so your handlebars turning. That goes on like so. I don't know why I've just took that off. Perfect. And that's all the tools you need for bicycles. Everything, all there. And then here we have some of the drifts and bits and bobs that you have as well. So there you go, folks. Okay, and we'll see you later. Bye for now.